Okay. Good evening. Today we are going to be looking at how to follow up tutorials on Scratch. Like every Scratch has a tutorial. So after clicking your tutorial section, you're going to be looking at this tutorial section. So you have to follow what the tutorial says by clicking on the next arrow, the next arrow, and the next arrow. So the first one says you go to backdrop and click on the water backdrop, exactly on the water backdrop, and that is what we're doing now. So click on the water backdrop, scroll down, and we are going to get the underwater backdrop. From there we move on to the next one and to the next one. Now tutorials basically helps people to learn Scratch more, exactly, to learn Scratch more. Like you can just go to the tutorial on Scratch and just follow up with what is on it by learning where the blocks and codes belongs to, the spot, the backdrop to use, the sprite to click. Now the next one, what the next one is showing us is that we should pick a sprite, and we're going to be picking the octopus sprite. So we just have to scroll now and click on the octopus sprite. So from there, after clicking on the octopus sprite, we have to press the next one, and anything the next one says, well, there are some things that you have to be aware, like we are aware of. Like most times when you're coding, you observe that on your working section there's always a shadow that shows down on your working section. That means any shadow that shows is a sprite you are working on at that moment in time. Exactly. Now my octopus failed to show the first time, so I decided to click on it on the cat's head again to bring in octopus. Exactly, that's what I'm trying to do now. So you just have to hold on. Okay, hold on. That's exactly. Because I could not chill, the first one has already appeared, so I have to follow the code on the tutorial. Now at the same time, you can also shrink it. Now if you feel like shrinking basically makes you ready so that you can have more space to work. So I'm trying to follow what I'm having here. So from the first one, when how is pressed, I bring on out the second one, so that when I go to the motion block, I can change. I can bring on the code from the motion block. So you guys keep in touch, stay and watch how I progress. This tutorial, so you can also do the same thing on your Scratch application. Thank you.